Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can use Apple gift card on Fortnite. So what you have to do, go to store.quickgames.com and uh, from here you can use your Apple gift card. For this, what you have to do, log into your account, then you will see your profile name here. Just click on it. From here you will see an option redeem code. Just select it and now enter your Apple gift card code here and select redeem, and it will be redeemed into your account. And now you can use the Apple gift card balance to buy anything from Fortnite. So that's it. That's how you can use your Apple gift card in Fortnite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.